Hi guys! Create tayo ng simple interactive pull switch using Figma. Let's create the light bulb using a circle and rename it to inner circle. Let's select the circle, add a stroke, and then add a pull switch using a rectangle and a circle tip. Select both shapes and group them together, and then send it behind the inner circle. Duplicate the inner circle to create the middle circle and send it behind the string. Resize the middle circle, remove the stroke, and change the opacity to 40%. Now duplicate the middle circle to create the outer circle, resize it, and change the opacity to 25%. Select all the elements, right-click, select Frame Selection, and duplicate to create the turned off state. Now change the inner circle to white, make the middle and outer circle small to hide them, and shorten the string. Now select both states and create a component set. Duplicate the second state and make the string shorter. Duplicate again to create the fourth step. Connect state 1 to state 2, set it on drag, smart animate, ease in and out back, and 300 milliseconds. Connect state 2 to state 3, after delay 1 millisecond, ease out, and 200 milliseconds. Now connect state 3 to state 4, set it to on drag, smart animate, ease in and out back, and 300 milliseconds. Last is to connect state 4 to state 1, set to after delay 1 millisecond and ease in and out back. Paste one component inside the frame and feel free to resize. Now you can view the prototype using the Figma app on your phone. Bye!